How to use AI to help with 3D modeling in Blender. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to combine AI and Blender to create a 3D model even if you're just starting out. Let's jump in. First, open Blender and go to the Scripting tab. This is where we'll let AI do the heavy lifting. Now, head to ChatGPT or any AI coding tool and type, "Create a Blender script with brown round table." Copy the script it gives you. Back in Blender, click New to open a new text editor file. Right-click inside the editor, paste the code, and press the Run Script icon. Boom! A 3D model of a round, brown table appears in your scene, generated entirely by AI. You can adjust the material, resize the table, or add more details using Blender's modeling tools. No manual modeling from scratch needed. Want more details? Just ask the AI, create a script that adds texture or makes the table more detailed. Copy, paste, run, and your model levels up. And that's how easy it is to blend AI with Blender. Smart modeling starts here.